um, how to what you call fix halogen cooker or turbo boiler. The problem with this is fan is not working. So last time the problem, the thermal fuse from the line, um, there's a problem because of the cost, I think, of this. Now when I fix, after I fix, there's another problem. So the pan now stops. So still there's overheating. So now I find out that there's a problem on the motor. So the motor itself, there's a thermal fuse as well. So just in case that uh, if what do you call this one, something like black, the fan to rotate. So and then it will create overheat. So instead that we'll get it create a fire. So the put a thermal fuse on it. So this I find out now. I remove all the what do you call this one, the cover tapes, and then I find out that there's a thermal fuse here. So when I check, the multi-tester, so I find out that the fuse not working. So if you can see, I will give it. So here's the fuse. Then so I will remove this. It's really tiny one. If you can see it, so that so now I remove the insulator, and then I will check this, and then if you can see, on my multi-tester, it's moved into 0 ohms, and then if I will test this, doesn't move. So the problem of this is thermal fuse. So I got now the problem. So the problem of this thermal fuse of this oven toaster. So let's I will try to jump or replace it. So I think the good things to do is to jump, so because I don't have a replacement. So I think it's fine. Even there's no what I call this one. Even there's no thermal fuse, only for just in case. So now I will try to jump it, and then we will find out if the fan will back to life. Uh,